pushing the limits for fireworks. Let's see if this does well. So this should be the cap for fireworks. This is the normal range. And this is when I modify this device. So this is normal. This should be yeah. When it comes to rapid fire, if you're lucky, it might go far. You can use this for